Hi guys, today I will be showing you how to make fermented porridge. For the ingredients, we have here our bottle of fermented porridge. I have a measuring cup. We shall be using this to measure our warm water as well as our porridge. And lastly, I have my sugar. You could use sugar or any sweetener of your choice. Then I have some water boiling on the cooking stove. So let me walk you through the process. So I'll start by first shaking the fermented porridge. As you can see, the residue is at the bottom and the water is at the top. So I'll shake this until everything mixes together. Looks well distributed. So the next step is to put our fermented porridge into our cooking stove. And normally the ratio of porridge is 1. When you do 1 cup of fermented porridge, you do 2 cups of water. So the ratio of 1 is to 2. Fermented porridge to water. So I'll start by pouring my 1 cup of fermented porridge into my cooking pot. Then using the same cup, I will measure 2 cups of hot water. That's the first cup of hot water. Second one. Then I will stir my porridge until it starts boiling. Remember, you should not stop stirring as the porridge might start forming lumps. So to avoid this, continuously stir your porridge. And if you're using an aluminum pot or a stainless steel pot, remember to use a wooden spoon for this process. So keep stirring. So guys, we'll be stirring our porridge for about 3 to 5 minutes before it starts boiling. This is on high heat. Then once it starts boiling, we shall reduce our heat to about medium low and leave our porridge to cook for about another 10 minutes. And that way we are sure that our porridge will be ready for serving. So let's wait for it to boil. So guys, you will realize that the consistency is now changing. Our porridge is thickening as it approaches to boil. So we'll keep stirring. And then fermented porridge, by the way, in our country, Kenya, is used for cultural festivals. It is also taken during the initiation of our young men, and also is widely taken by lactating mothers. But that does not stop anyone else from enjoying the fermented porridge. Then fermented porridge is full of probiotics, which are very, very essential in one's stomach, gut, and skin. So guys, as you can see, our porridge is coming to a boil. The consistency is thickening. I need to say. So guys, our porridge is now boiling. So I will reduce the heat. Remember, we are cooking under high heat. I will reduce the heat to a medium low and leave it to cook for a further 10 minutes. So see you in 10 minutes for us to serve our delicious porridge. So our porridge has been sitting on the stove for the last 10 minutes on a medium low heat after the first boil. So it's ready, and we are going to be serving it. So guys, this is 10 minutes later and our porridge is now ready for serving.